3 days to go. 3 days to go. So it's, what is the time? It's 4:40 right now. Mayank is about to get off his work, so I quickly went to Starbucks and got drinks for us. This is peppermint frappuccino, peppermint mocha frappuccino, and this is peppermint mocha latte for me. So this is how we are starting our evening, because there is nothing much to pack because we packed almost everything yesterday. We got a little bit of bathroom items that we're gonna pack, and as you guys have seen our previous vlog, there is nothing over here. I think we didn't show it in the end that we packed everything, but yeah, have a look at it. Every single thing is gone from the kitchen. All the cabinets are, everything is empty, and we are not cooking anything at all. So let me show you what we have in the fridge. We went to Publix, and then yeah, it looks like there's so much of stuff, but don't worry, this is all Marvel's food. For 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, I packed it in, and 17th I packed it in the Ziploc, so it's easy for me. And these are all the mangoes that I'm gonna carry, so this will be all gone. Over here we got ready to eat meals. This is from Amy's. It's Indian palak paneer with rajma dal, and then this is matar paneer with chana masala. These two, this is how it looks basically. So we are gonna eat something tonight. We'll show you which one we eat, but this is how the palak paneer looks, and this is how the matar paneer looks. They are pretty good. We have tried them before, but we don't really get them because we can make it at home. But now that everything is packed, we got these. And then over here we got this from Lean Cuisine. This is 5 cheese ravioli, rigatoni, and then this is also the same one for me and Mayank. Mayank got this broccoli cheddar rotini, and I got this chicken parmesan with spaghetti. So this is another day. So this is how many days basically? Let's see. One, lunch and dinner, lunch and dinner. So basically 2 days. We can just switch however we want. And then we got the Texas toast, 3 cheese Texas toast to go with the pasta. So yep. So yeah, these are all the ready to eat meals, and then rest of the things I guess we'll just buy it from outside and eat it. And yeah, that is how it's gonna be for the next 3 days. I'm so excited. Movers are gonna be here at 9:30 on Friday. So yep, absolutely ready to move into our new place, start decorating our new place. Weather has been a little bit shitty, but it doesn't matter to us because we're not going out. It's been raining since morning. And Meng is working over here. He's not in a meeting, so he can definitely say hi.
3 more days. 3 more days. 1, 2, 3. Did you show them how much frozen stuff you got?
Yeah, I just showed them.
It feels like back to college days.
I know. That you don't have to cook, just put the thing in the microwave and that's it.
Yeah, we are gonna be on microwave meal.
Yeah. And I don't know, you guys remember the painting over here, the big one? It's packed. The movers came and they packed it. So yeah. Let me go taste my peppermint mocha. I tasted this last year when it came out. Like it comes out every year during the Christmas time. Let's see. I like it. Mine is with whipped cream. So I don't know if you guys have tried this or not. Anytime you get like a cafe latte, any hot lattes, do add whipped cream on top of it. Ask them to add whipped cream, and whatever flavor it is, if it's like caramel flavor, add caramel syrup on top of it, and it's so good to drink that way. And his also has whipped cream, chocolate chips, same with mine. Ooh, let's taste it. I really wish they should keep this drink throughout the year and not just for during this Christmas time or something. Yum! So good. Oh, so good. Dinner time, and it's a very different dinner time because did you get hurt? Yep, he banged himself because this thing has never been in our house.
Yeah, we don't eat fruit.
Yeah.
Especially not the one that needs to be microwaved.
Yeah, so
Did I cut?
now I'm gonna be eating chicken parmesan with spaghetti, and he is eating broccoli cheddar rotini with some 3 cheese toast. That's going to be our dinner. Super simple. We just have to put it in the microwave. Let's see for how many minutes. It says, yeah, 3 minutes on high. Spoke the packet like what he is doing. This is how the packet looks like when you take it out. This one. And over here is Marvel. You guys haven't seen Marvel? Yes, Bobby. Yes, Bobby.
What's mommy and daddy cooking, Marvel?
I love you, I love you. This is what you have to do. Basically, just poke it and then put it in the microwave. One at a time, right? Or you can put both. Just put both. That's it. And we'll put this in the oven over here. What's the temperature for this?
450? 400?
Well, let's see. It is 400. 5 to 6 minutes. Ready in how many minutes? 6 minutes.
Yeah.
So let me show you. We have this chicken parmesan with spaghetti and the 3 cheese toast, and I'm having some green tea here. This is his rotini with the toast. So look how cheesy and nice and delicious it looks. So basically, these are calorie controlled and
yeah, these are by the brand called Lean Muscles.
yeah,
Lean Cuisine.
lean cuisine.
And they are like
Portion control, calorie control, yeah.
300 to 350 calories with like 15 grams of protein in it.
Yeah.
And of course, we are loading a little bit carb from the cheese breads, obviously, in addition to that.
It's not that bad.
But this is the only time when you get the reason to eat whatever you want to eat.
Yeah, exactly. Because we don't eat this in normal days, so.
Yeah.
Starting as मुझे लगा केक तो starting है. Treat दीजिए और को.
सही गरम है?
अच्छा. The spaghetti is good.
Not bad.
All is yours.
Not bad. Guys, so Tanya is getting freshened up, and we are ready to lie down. We will watch TV probably for some time. But let me tell you this: my tummy is not happy with the microwave meal. It's just the feeling that you get when you eat your meal, and that feeling is not good. It's not like it's hurting, or it's not like that I'm having a diarrhea or something. Nothing like that. It's just the feeling that's weird, and I think Tanya is not feeling too great as well. Anyways, maybe it was just today's meal. We are not used to the microwave meals. Maybe. There she is. Huh? I was saying that we are not feeling too great after the microwave meals.
I guess we are not in the habit of eating there.
Yeah, I mean in the afternoon we had taheri, the one we did for the meal prep, and we were just fine. And then it all started kicking in when we had we had the spring rolls, and then now we had that microwave pasta. And anyways, we are gonna detox our body, so we are gonna not eat until noon tomorrow and just have tea and some DHP supplements, and so that we flush this whatever it is out and then try to give it another go.